How to use Reddit Premium feature. To use the Reddit Premium feature, first of all, you have to subscribe to the paid membership tier. So go ahead and launch the application, tap on these three horizontal lines on the top left corner of your screen. Scroll down until you find the Reddit Premium. Once you are here, all you have to do is now choose your plan. Select either monthly plan or annual plan. Now, once you select any of these plans, you simply have to proceed to authorize your payment during checkout. Once you do this, now your account will be eligible to access the premium features. To use these premium features, you can enjoy the ad-free browsing and also unlock custom applications icons on mobile devices. You can also equip premium avatar decorations and also access the Reddit lounge, and also you can utilize the comment highlights. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.